Hello, here is my tech tip of the day. Sorry for it's been a long day of e-learning. So some of you might be thinking, how am I making some of the videos? So this one, I'm actually using Loom, but a lot of them I use just a simple QuickTime. I know there's lots of different choices out there, Screencast-O-Matic, Screencast-Ify, Loom. Sometimes you don't even need to do that. You can do simple QuickTime. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you open QuickTime, and it comes on all of your Mac computers. It's in a application that's already on there. And from here, you'll get this window that pops up. Don't do anything there. What you need to do is click File, and you can do a movie recording that is recording yourself. You can do an audio recording, which is just your voice, or you can do a screen recording. And that's what you would want to choose to do a screen recording. And then you have these options. If you have an external microphone, you would choose that, or if you're just using the internal one, you'll use the internal one. And then if you want to show mouse clicks whenever you click the mouse, that's what you would do. And then you would click this red record button, and that would start your recording. You'll get an option to do click to record the full screen or drag part of it. So if you want to do the whole thing or just record part of it, that's whichever choice you want. And when you're done, you'll just click on this part in the top and click stop. And that is as simple as creating a QuickTime screen recording. So if I want to just record it'll cut off part of my face, which is fine. And then I'll press start recording. And then I can type anywhere in here, and you could see the highlighted when I click. I want to go to google.com, and it will bring up google.com, and that's just showing you how to do a screen recording.